Your journey should always be something that you remember. Values should equate a belief that we strive for a level of professionalism, an expectation that we are here to do our very best and to execute a brilliant event.
On the journey, it's what we learn, it's how we show up, it's what we take away with us, how we grow each step of the way.
Life is too short to be little. You must enlarge your imagination. That's what we do for a living, and then act upon it.
Dream out loud. Dream out loud as long as you can, and have your personal board of your directors, your mentors, your family make you live your dreams.
We are here to share our passion. One of our shared passions, I know, is a shared passion for creating celebrations, for celebrating love, for celebrating beauty, for celebrating life.
I'm giving you the tools to be a better version of yourself. Finding the right direction comes from surrounding yourself with supportive people. Remember to challenge yourself, be stronger and more confident, and to understand the importance of standing out, because the joy is in the journey, and the journey is worth exploring.